Alright, so if you have pets like I do, these two, sometimes they go through some crazy stuff. They start itching in places that, normally they need some help. I mean, this guy back here, he gets tons of infections. So I try to avoid them by cleaning his air canal and so forth. But sometimes it's not just the allergies, but it's also his immune system. It's so low. So that's why I end up getting these right here. These are allergy itching relief. So it's going to help them out to release some of the pain. Now, once you open them up, you got to keep these in the refrigerator, right? So if you want to keep your pet from, prevent them from scratching too much, because if they do, they could get damaged too. They scratch themselves so that they sometimes bleed and so forth. Now this is, they also make it for cats and dogs, but unfortunately I don't have one for you. I have only for Toby. Now these are peanut butter flavor. We're gonna give him one and see how he likes it, and see how he enjoys it. They're chewable. They're very small, if you guys can see that. So if you have older dogs like I do, it shouldn't have a problem with him. So he's gonna enjoy it. Does he like it? Let's find out. Yep, he enjoys it. So unfortunately my cat wants one too. You get 100 of these when you get them. So if you're worried about, you have two dogs, because I do have two dogs. In fact, I got to give the other guy one before this guy starts getting jealous. So let's give one to Crypto. Does Crypto like this? I don't know. Let's find out. Crypto? Crypto? Let's find out if Crypto likes this. If Crypto likes this, there you go. So if you guys have two dogs or three or more, this is perfect. 100 of these. So hope you guys enjoy the video.